going to find out the square root of a number by using long division method. We can find the square root of a number by using calculator or manually. Manually, we can solve it in two different ways, prime factorization method and long division method. In prime factorization method, we split the number to its prime factors and choose one number from each pair. But why can't we just use prime factorization every time? Well, if a number is large, it will take us a lot of time to reduce to its prime factor. So, prime factorization method is useful only for small numbers. And for the large numbers, we can use long division method. Look at the number 82, 81. The first thing we need to draw a line like this. I have written some steps here. I will explain you one by one. The first step, mark pairs of digits from the unit's end. This is a unit. I have marking the pairs. The second step, we have to find out the perfect square equal to or lower than 82. Since 82 is not a perfect square, we choose perfect square lower than 82. The perfect square just lower than 82 is 81. Even 64 is a perfect square lower than 82. We always choose the one which is closest. We know that the 9 square is 81. So 9. The next step is multiple above and add below. We have to multiple 9 into 9, 81, and 9 plus 9, 18. The next step is subtract the product. We have to subtract 82 from 81, we get 1. Next step is got down the next pair. The next pair is 81. I am bringing the 81 here. Here I am drawing a box, empty box here. The next method is trial and error. The trial and error to find the digits in the box. Remember, the digit in the boxes have to be same. (181) multiple by 1 gives us 181. So 181, 181. So remember, the remainder will be 0. So the square root of 8281 is 91.